Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to display HTML, CSS, and JavaScript projects from CodePen right on your WordPress site. By the end of this video, you'll be able to embed any interactive CodePen creation directly into your WordPress pages or posts, bringing a creative, hands-on flair to your website, perfect for portfolios, blogs, or educational content. All right, let's jump right in. So this is all about integrating CodePen with your WordPress site using the official embed code method. It's simple, effective, and only takes a few minutes, so let's walk through each step together. First, we're going to start on CodePen. Go ahead and open up the pen that you want to showcase on your website. If you're new to CodePen, just think of a pen as your creative workspace where your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript all come together. Now in the bottom right corner of the editor, you'll see a button labeled Embed. Give that a click. This is where the magic happens. CodePen instantly generates the necessary code for you. In the Embed Settings window, you'll discover several customization options. Take a moment here, you're not just embedding the pen, you're also deciding how it looks and behaves on your WordPress page. You can pick from different themes like a light or dark mode depending on your website's vibe. Select which default tabs will be displayed. Maybe you want to show just the preview or let visitors peek at your code. Customizing here ensures your embedded pen fits smoothly with your site's style and intent. Once you've tweaked those settings to your liking, you'll see a block of code. This is your embed code. Go ahead and copy all of it, a helpful tip. Double check that you grabbed everything, especially if it scrolls off the side. Missing a line can break the embed. Now let's hop over to WordPress. Navigate to the post or page you want your CodePen to appear in and click Edit. If you're using the block editor, the current standard in WordPress, you'll want to add a custom HTML block. It's usually available in the formatting section. Alternatively, if you're in the older Classic Editor, just switch your editing mode from visual to text. This ensures WordPress understands your embed as pure code. Next, paste your CodePen embed code directly into the editor. Easy, take a breath here. Sometimes the code doesn't show a preview within the editor itself, especially in WordPress's interface, but don't worry. Once you save or publish your post or page, the CodePen will appear fully interactive on the live site for your visitors. Before hitting publish, I recommend previewing your post to check how the pen displays on your site. If anything seems off, the sizing or the tabs, for instance, you can go back and tweak the embed options in CodePen and repeat the process. A bit of trial and error is normal here, especially if you're tailoring the look to match your site's design. And that's all there is to it. You've now brought your CodePen creations straight into WordPress, expanding your site's possibilities and letting your interactive projects shine. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Drop a comment below if you run into any issues or have questions about customizing your embed. I'm always here to help. And make sure to subscribe, because I share simple, actionable tutorials to help you make the most out of WordPress and web design every week. Thanks for watching and happy embedding.